you guys? I'm back with another video. Like I said in the previous video, I am gonna try to make the truck look good again, or 2 videos ago. I'm gonna try to make the truck look good. So I ordered a few small parts that'll not necessarily change the look, but make it look a little bit cleaner. Because as you guys know, actually let me just open up the boxes. I have a few boxes to open up. They're small, simple things, but I feel like it'll make a good bit of a change to the truck, or at least make it look cleaner, especially the front end. I'm trying to clean up the front end right now, especially, and a few more things, but let's just jump into the boxes. Okay, so I ordered a few small parts just because they're just parts that I needed. On the inside, if you guys know, I have the blue lights. It's kind of getting irritating, so I had to order the white ones. Oops. The white one, and my license plate lights blink a lot and like all retarded, so I ordered some of those. I ordered a license plate frame, a chrome one. I think it'll look good on the back just because I'm going to stick with the chrome bumper. I think I am going to paint the black trim piece instead. So, and I haven't had a license plate cover or thing. And then the more of what I want to get to today are, I ordered new LED lights. Because I don't know if I ever mentioned, I'm pretty sure I mentioned it in the video of when my truck had a bunch of bad shit happen to. If you haven't watched it, I'm going to put it up in the corner. I don't know what corner it is. I think it's that one or that one. But I did order new LED lights because that day they broke, for my fogs at least. Lastly, I ordered I'm going to just open one, but I ordered new fog lights because I'll show you guys right now, but I have water in them, so I ordered new fog lights. I feel like it's going to clean up the front end of the truck a lot, and that's what I'm going for. I'm trying to make the truck look really clean before I get it all painted. I'm trying to make the truck great again. And I ordered new fogs because, as you guys can see, they're literally turning yellow, and they have water in them still. So I'm going to change those out, and I only have one LED light in right now, so that looks kind of funny. And then in the back, like I said, these lights are blinking because they went bad already. So hopefully those fit in there. They look a bit bigger. And then I want to put the license plate cover around it. Something small, but I've been meaning to do it. I've just been lagging on a lot of stuff. And I am trying to make the truck look good again before it gets all painted. So once it's all painted, it's pretty much done. I did order another small piece, but it hasn't came in. I'm still waiting on that. But I did order new center caps for my 20s because they're just dirty right now. But my wheels, they shine a lot when they're clean, obviously. And the center caps kind of kill that look. So I ordered new ones, new chrome ones. They should be coming in pretty soon. Hopefully sometime this week. If they don't come in, or I'll try to put it in the next video. That's something small and simple, so it doesn't have to be in this video. Oh, and what I do want to do also in this video is try to see if I can fix some of these brackets. So like that one's perfectly fine, but this one right here, I was maybe thinking of melt it back or JB weld it. Basically, I was gonna take off the bumper, but honestly, that's probably gonna be way too much work for what I want to do. Zoom in. That's probably gonna be way too much work for the simple job that I'm trying to do. So what I'm planning on doing is, I think I'm gonna just put that bracket right where I want it, this one right here, and then melt it with a lighter. And it should melt it back into place because it is plastic, so should melt it back into place. It should be just as strong, if not just a little bit weaker. And then I'm just gonna use zip ties to hold it back in. And just with these 3 brackets being held back in, it should push the bumper up and in more. And then this corner shouldn't sag as much because right now it's pretty bad. This grill, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I think I might another day JB weld it. I don't know, do something along the lines of that so it doesn't sag. Because I do want to keep this grill for paint. This is the only issue that I have. So hopefully it works, and if it doesn't, I might just have to order a new grill before paint. But let's get started on this bumper piece, so then we can move on to the rest of the small stuff. Just a little update real quick. I've been working on this for, I want to say, maybe like close to an hour, maybe. I got this side. This isn't the prettiest, and I'm not done with it. I'm gonna go over it one more time. Not the prettiest, but it works. It's not as flimsy anymore. I just gotta work on that last one right there, and I can mount this bumper up, and we could keep working on putting in the fog lights, the license plate, the interior lights, the license plate lights, and the LEDs, so I could go back to blinding everybody at night. Should be done in less than an hour, so I could start working on the rest of it. Actually, I finished it up. Looks way better. Not the cleanest thing I've done. Not proud of it, but got it. Sits way better. Pretty much sits identical to the other side, because the other side is broken, but all the brackets are intact still on this side, so, and it's pretty sturdy. So, pretty happy with it. It looks way better in the front than it being all flimsy. So now I'm gonna change this out. I forgot how to take them off. I didn't know last time I messed them up. So these are pretty simple. It's the same thing. It has a little gap right here, so you can pull this out. You're gonna pull that out. I got my license plate off. I'm gonna throw on the chrome piece, chrome bezel, I guess you could consider it. Real quick, I believe you put this little like gel type thing through the bolt facing out, I believe, and then this clip on to here. Yep. Okay, so then you're just gonna wanna reinstall it. Quick, simple, quick and easy. Me personally, I like how chrome license plate covers look. I wouldn't call it a mod, but it cleans up the back a little bit. Especially because I have a lot of chrome back here, and I'm planning on keeping the chrome back here. You're going to want to do the same shit on the other side. Super simple, but I feel like it looks better like that than without a bezel, as I guess you could call it. And now what I've been wanting to do, the fog lights. So on this side I had to take it off already because it was just easier. And as you guys can see, what a complete difference it is from a new one to an old one. I feel like this is going to clean up the front. So let's get started on installing this real quick. Ooh, and now you can see them boys clean. And then this side, garbage. Not garbage. You guys can see the difference. Let's go get this side installed real quick. This side took me way too long to install, just because the space is small. And as you guys can see, my hand's all scratched up because that space is literally super tiny. It took me way too long to put it on because one of the bolts did not want to go back in. So let's put this side on real quick and put the LEDs in and see how it looks. Oh, mid video my camera died, but I took off the fog light on this side, and as you guys can see, it looks terrible. Like there's literally water in there. That's so bad. It's probably not good. But yeah, you guys could see, and it's all muddy. So that's why I went with new ones. Those are kind of garbage now. So let's put on the new pretty one. You guys can see it's all cleaned up. Now I'm back to blinding everybody at night. I miss having my fog lights. It wasn't too much of an interesting video. It was just changing out my fog light, my LED, replacing the LEDs, replacing my interior LEDs, and installing a license plate bezel. And that's about it. I do have another video coming pretty soon on one of the last things that I need to install before I order the last thing. And you guys saw in the last video I have a 2-piece drive shaft, so I'm going to be working on that so I can lower the truck more. But yeah, now we got the front end of the truck looking right. Just cleaning up the look a little bit before it goes off to paint. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, please leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because I know some of you guys aren't subscribed that watch my videos. Help us to get to 10K, because at 10K I'm dropping merch. I'm going to drop stickers and lanyards. I already have the design. And it's actually... No, I'm not going to say anything. But I am going to be posting it on my Instagram pretty soon as a poll. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to go follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram down in the comment section. Let me know what else you guys think I should do. There is small things that I'm missing on doing to this truck. And lowering is definitely one of them on the list pretty soon. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh, fuck.